Meaning of instantaneous.
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 Instantaneous. The term instantaneous refers to something that occurs or exists at a single moment in time, without any delay or interruption. It can also refer to a rate of change that is measured at a particular instant in time, rather than over a longer period. For example, the instantaneous speed of an object is its speed at a specific point in time, as opposed to its average speed over a longer period. In general, the term instantaneous implies a focus on a specific moment or point in time, rather than a broader perspective.